Hello, budding entrepreneurs. Welcome to part 4 of my series called Business Tools You Didn't Know You Needed. So the 3 tools we'll be discussing today are Gelato, Tenable, and Rocket Read. Let's get started. So first up, we have Gelato. So Gelato is similar to other print-on-demand companies by that if you have a particular design, you're able to put that design on a t-shirt, on a mug, on a sweater, on a tote bag, on wall art, anything you can imagine. But what sets Gelato apart from some of the other print-on-demand services is that you are able to choose where that particular clothing item is being done at. So for example, let's say you are a creator who wants to put your design on a sweater. Even though you may be based in Canada and you discover that your customers are based in Indonesia, for example, you're able to choose a printing location in that particular country just to make it even faster for your customers to receive their product. So now rather than getting your sweater printed with your design from China, from America, you're able to do it even closer to your customers so that your shipping times can be even faster. So here's the process of signing up for the Gelato website. Step 1, sign up for Gelato and connect to your store. Step 2, upload your designs and choose the products you want to sell. Step 3, customize your product listings and set up your prices. Step 4, start selling and let Gelato handle production and shipping. And if you want to check out Gelato today, you can use the link in my description and you can check out all the many kinds of products you are able to put a design on from their website. So next on the list is Tenable. So on a completely different front, Tenable is all about cybersecurity. As a business owner, it is important to protect your digital assets from scammers, from hackers, from anybody with ill intention. And typically you will need an IT department to help you with managing your cybersecurity. But when you are a beginner entrepreneur, you probably don't have the funds to hire a dedicated IT team. So you can use a platform like Tenable to help protect your digital assets. So this is how you would sign up for their website. Step 1, sign up for Tenable and connect it to your network. Step 2, run a vulnerability scan to identify potential security risks. Step 3, review the scan results and prioritize the issues that need fixing. Step 4, implement security measures based on Tenable's recommendations. So Tenable helps you to stay one step ahead from any cyber threats, ensure your business remains secure. So discover more using the link in the description and see why it has a reputation for being a really great tool for comprehensive security solution. Your business is never too small to prioritize your cybersecurity. And lastly, Rocket Read. Rocket Reach is a really great tool for lead generation and contact information. Rather than spend hours researching the right contact details of the specific person you are looking to contact in a specific company or potential client, Rocket Reach simplifies that by giving you accurate information right at your fingertips. So rather than emailing a general contact email of a company to get the information of the right person you're trying to speak to, Rocket Reach already has that information. So this is how you would sign up. Step 1, sign up for Rocket Reach and enter the names of the people or company you would like to reach. Step 2, get access to their email addresses, work phone numbers, and social media profiles. Step 3, use the contact information to reach out and build your network. Step 4, track your outreach efforts and follow up as needed. Check out the link in my description to see what the hype is all about with Rocket Reach and start connecting with all the right people. It's also so easy to use, so really beginner friendly for any early stage aspiring entrepreneur. And there you have it, 3 amazing tools that you can use to elevate your business game. Whether you're looking to get started or you've already started and looking ways to better your processing, or you already have a good processing but you're looking for other tools that can help make things even better, these are some ones you can check out. So if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and comment if you've heard of any of these tools and use them, or if you're planning to use any of these. My name is Vuyile and I love helping beginner entrepreneurs get all the tips and tricks necessary in order for us to become business mogul. Thanks for joining. God bless.